One of the easiest ways to increase your average order value in Shopify is through bundling. And if you've ever wondered how your competitors are able to do bundling this way rather than this way, then watch this video. I'm going to show you a really easy way to add that to your Shopify store. So the app is called Kaching. You want to install this on your Shopify brand. And once it's done, you go into apps, you click onto the apps, and I'll show you how to add a new deal. In order to add a new deal, just click add a new deal, and you'll have the bundle section. Now, let me show you one that I've already configured for this brand. Once you're inside, in terms of the block name, right, like header-wise, you can change this to anything like buy more, save more, bundle and save, deals, that kind of stuff, right? In terms of visibility, you want to make sure to select the right products. Obviously, the products that people generally buy one of, don't add those, right? But if you want to bundle more of the same product in one order, do this. Layout wise, select the vertical layout just because horizontally, not only does it look ugly, but also on mobile, it just doesn't look as nice. In terms of pricing, I like to show the bundle pricing rather than showing price per item, because when you show price per item, what's going to happen is you're going to see a higher drop-off rate from cart to checkout. In terms of the deals, I like to have the middle one always selected, and it's basically just the more they buy, the bigger the discount they get. So for example, you can see if they bought one necklace, then they would pay £50, but if they bought two, they only pay 80. So they get £10 off each necklace. In terms of labels, you can kind of play around with this. Just make sure to customize everything, make sure the discounts align with the actual price itself, and change the colors to match your brand colors. Once this is done, you want to hit save and you want to go ahead and publish this to your brand. In terms of naming of each offer, because this is a jewelry brand, we got a little creative with this. However, for most brands out there, simply calling each bundle 1-pack, 2-pack, 3-pack is good enough. Once completed, this is what it's going to look like on your brand product page. If you do this, I promise you, you're going to increase your average order value by about 10 to 20%. And if you found this video useful, drop a sub. I give Shopify tips every single week. And if you're wondering why my information is high quality and free, it's because I run an email marketing agency and making these videos help me reach a lot of brands. So if you're a 7-figure brand to 8-figure brand, book in a call with me in the description, and I'm able to make you a shit ton of money by maximizing your revenue from your mailing list and also help you grow it faster. So hit me up.